Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Shopify? This is ticker SHOP. Now, Shopify is in an uptrend and above all its key moving averages. It's still off its 2021 highs, and I think if this uptrend continues, it has a chance to actually recapture some of those highs in and around 160 and 170. Now we're sitting around 116 right here, and we have some clear resistance that you can see on the chart right there, and right here. And so it's been tapping up against that 117.45 level for a couple of weeks now, unable to get above and stay above. So I would definitely have an alert here on Shopify at 117.45 and look for a move through this level coming on volume. If it can get above and stay above, then I think it's probably going to ultimately test some of the 2025 highs in and around 130. And if it can get above there, and if the market continues to be strong, then I think you're looking up here for a swing target at around 160 on Shop. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.